What day is it? Day 2 or day 3? Day 3. Boise. We're down to just 3 people on day 3. We ripped out to Idaho City, and now we're in Idaho City. Had a little bit of an ignition failure here. So the bike's on. And it's 100 degrees.
That's the one I don't have.
She's like quiet. Should I pull it all the way?
Yeah. We're in Idaho, dude. Battery disconnected, lights are off. We got a little war wound. Crispy, crunchy chicken.
Badass for sure.
Let me see those gloves, Mitchell.
I can't even feel my hands.
Damn. Taking out the key to ignition and replacing it with this. Test it out. We're back, brothers. Now kill it.
Back.
Did it.
Oh shit, I forgot.
You're not supposed to go in the middle. Okay,
You're not supposed to go there.
Homeward Bound. Day 4, it's Monday. We're going home. Truck's making some weird noise. I don't know what it is.
Very concerning.
Very concerning. Oh, there's the rip. Can you see inside that? Let me get. We think it's the CV axle in the front.
Ah. Oh no!
Oh shit! What the hell is that?
We call Postmaster?
Yeah, call Postmaster, dude.
We can use a wrench if we have a box wrench.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Old, new,
Hell.
absolute hell over here. That's why we're putting this on, and we might have to twist the wheel, but we'll try to drop it and crank it down as much as we can.
Yeah.
Turn the light over here, Mitchell.
Your wheels are hand tight. CV joints, dude.
Look at this milkshake, dude.
We're at the home stretch.
That's the last thing, huh?
Two.
Scroobity-doopy, scroobity-doopy.
New CV joint is in.